Why does that caboose in the middle?
What do you think?
Good. Awesome. Awesome.
Well, this is a pretty fun surprise. Coming over to Albany to pick up Abby from the train station. And we're gonna get to see a little freight train being led by the CP yard locomotive, it looked like. And there was an old caboose on it too. Looks like it's coming to, hey, love, Deet. No. Looks like it's coming to a stop right now. Probably they're going to be backing up onto a different line. What, boy?
It stopped.
It did stop, didn't it?
I stopped.
They're probably switching lines so that they can either move these cars or connect to something else. Aw, yeah! It's switching to a different line. See that? I don't know if you can see that or not. All boy can see is it coming that way. But yeah, it's going to a different line right now. Well, this was kind of fun, getting to see a different type of locomotive that we've never seen before, or at least all together, the Canadian Pacific. Getting to see a fun little caboose on it. Glad we got to see it. So that's a Kenwood yard, that's what it's called.